Beneath the sunlit waves lies a world of utter darkness, a realm so vast and unexplored that it remains one of Earth's final frontiers. Yet in this eternal night, life not only survives, it shines. Welcome to the mesmerizing world of bioluminescence, where countless marine creatures produce their own light through breathtaking chemical reactions. The deep glow invites you on an unforgettable journey into these hidden depths. Turtles have been around for over 200 million years, making them older than snakes, crocodiles, and even dinosaurs. Some giant tortoises can live over 150 years. Some sea turtles migrate thousands of miles between feeding grounds and nesting beaches. Walruses are very large marine mammals. Adult males can weigh up to 1,500 kilograms, 3,300 pounds, almost as heavy as a small car. They grunt, whistle, knock, and even make bell-like sounds underwater to communicate. Whale sharks can grow up to 18 meters, 60 feet long and weigh about 15 to 20 tons. Whale sharks swim slowly, around 3 miles per hour. Narwhals grow about 4 to 5 meters, 13 to 16 feet, long and weigh up to 1,600 kilograms, 3,500 pounds. Male narwhals have a long spiral tusk, actually an enlarged canine tooth, that can grow up to 3 meters, 10 feet, long. Sawfish live in shallow coastal waters, rivers, and estuaries, often near mangroves. All 5 species of sawfish are critically endangered due to overfishing, habitat loss, and accidental capture in fishing nets. Female sawfish give birth to live young called pups, not eggs. Hammerheads eat fish, squid, octopus, stingrays, and even smaller sharks. Stingrays are their favorite snack. Hammerheads give birth to live young called pups, and a mother can have 20 to 40 pups at once. Their hammer-shaped head helps them pin down stingrays against the ocean floor before eating them. Orcas can reach speeds of about 56 kilometers per hour, 34 miles per hour, making them one of the fastest marine mammals. Orcas hunt in pods, family groups, using teamwork, similar to wolf packs. They can take down seals, fish, squid, sharks, and even large whales. Orcas can reach speeds of about 56 kilometers per hour, 34 miles per hour, making them one of the fastest marine mammals. Orca pods have unique dialects, hunting techniques, and traditions passed down through generations, like human cultures. Male Male orcas can grow up to 9 meters. Dolphins breathe air through a blowhole, are warm-blooded, and feed their babies with milk, just like humans. They can recognize themselves in mirrors, use tools, and even have problem-solving skills. Dolphins live in groups called pods, usually 10 to 20 members. Sharks have skeletons made of cartilage, the same flexible stuff in your nose and ears, making them lighter and faster. Sharks can detect a drop of blood in the water from miles away and can sense tiny electric signals from prey. Some sharks are fierce hunters, great white, tiger shark, while others are gentle filter feeders. When the ordinary rules of nature give way to magic and mystery, venture into the alien landscapes of the abyss, where light is both a weapon and a whisper.